If you're searching for a marketing automation platform and feel torn between HubSpot and Marketo, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what separates these two heavyweights, but you'll also gain clarity on which tool might be perfect for your team's needs. So let's dive right in. Now, if you're working in marketing automation, you've surely come across both of these names. HubSpot and Marketo are considered leaders in the field, not just because they check all the basic boxes, but because they pack in extra features that most other platforms dream of. But that extra can also be a little overwhelming when you're trying to choose. Let's start with Marketo. Founded in 2006, Marketo's core mission was always about proving marketing ROI, which, let's admit, is one of the eternal struggles for CMOs everywhere. It began focused on lead management, and over time it snowballed into a true powerhouse. Today, with Adobe now at the helm, Marketo Engage has expanded far beyond its origins. You'll find powerful tools for lead scoring and nurturing, robust automation, account-based marketing, and smart campaigns that offer deep workflow customization. There's also email marketing, digital ads integration, and thorough analytics and reporting features. In short, Marketo gives large teams the muscle to build intricate campaigns and prove their value to leadership. But getting all those gears turning often takes training and patience. HubSpot, on the other hand, approaches marketing automation a bit differently. It's famous for being an all-in-one platform, not just marketing, but sales, service, content, and more all bundled together. For comparison's sake, we'll zero in on their marketing hub because that lines up most closely with Marketo's offering. HubSpot is designed for simplicity and accessibility. You get a visual workflow builder, pop-up hints, and lots of native integrations. You really can get started with basic marketing automation in just a few clicks, which is a huge relief if you're a small business or someone just getting their hands dirty. When you stack them side by side, some key differences emerge. For features, Marketo edges ahead with ultra-advanced options for analytics and custom campaigns, while HubSpot shines for its core feature set and ease of use. It's worth pausing on the point of usability. HubSpot's interface is beginner-friendly, so you won't get stuck right out of the gate. Marketo, by contrast, demands more upfront learning. If you're new, expect to spend some time in Marketo University or browsing help forums. Don't worry, this is totally normal for a tool that's designed for deeper customization. If contact management is crucial to your operation, HubSpot brings a built-in CRM ready to go, along with seamless connections to hundreds of third-party CRMs. So if you need to mix marketing and sales data easily, HubSpot is a dream. Marketo, in contrast, pops its head above water only with Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics for native connections. For automation, HubSpot makes things visual. You drag and drop to build workflows, which is a lot less intimidating for most teams. Marketo lets you build much more complex campaigns, though. Think of it as trading the automatic car for a stick shift. More control, but a little more effort. Customer support matters, especially when you hit a bump in the road. HubSpot is known for fast, responsive chat support, and even phone calls on higher plans. Marketo, meanwhile, is a bit slower and tends to point you toward community discussions and forums for answers. Integrations are broadly strong on both sides, and both work with tools like Zapier. But here's a big one. HubSpot has a free CRM and a 14-day free trial on paid plans, so you can kick the tires before you commit. Marketo has no free trial, and pricing details are hidden until you talk to sales. That can be intimidating for smaller teams who want transparency up front. To sum up, your best choice really depends on your team's size and experience. If you want something easy to use, with built-in CRM and transparency, HubSpot is the way to go. If your needs are more complex, think deep analytics, large campaigns, and you're comfortable with a steeper learning curve, Marketo could be your powerhouse. If this helped you compare HubSpot and Marketo, please give the video a thumbs up. Any lingering questions? Just drop them in the comments. And if you want more tutorials on software or for growing your business, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.